Hey! Before I get into this, I just want to say that everything I am showing you is 100% real. I have the withdrawal receipts to prove it. You're probably wondering how I managed to lose $50 daily without this airdrop trick. Well, let me tell you, it's a fascinating story. I was trying to get into the crypto space, but I had no idea what I was doing. I was throwing money at different investments, hoping something would stick. But, as you can probably guess, that didn't end well. I lost a lot of money, and I was about to give up. That's when I stumbled upon airdrops. I know what you're thinking, what are airdrops? Don't worry, I'll explain it in a minute. But first, let me show you my withdrawal receipts. As you can see, I've earned over $500 from airdrops alone. Now, I know what you're thinking, this sounds too good to be true. But trust me, it's not. I've done my research, and I've found a way to make it work. But here is the thing that most people get wrong, they think airdrops are a guaranteed way to make money. They're not. They're a way to get free crypto, but you have to be smart about it. So, what are airdrops? Simply put, airdrops are when a cryptocurrency project distributes free tokens to its community. It's a way for them to generate buzz and get people excited about their project. Now, let's get into the step-by-step guide on how to join Optimism airdrops using MetaMask. First, you need to download and install MetaMask. It's a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to store, send, and receive Ethereum-based tokens. Once you've installed MetaMask, you need to create a new wallet. This will generate a seed phrase, which you should never share with anyone. From there, you can connect your wallet to the Optimism network. This will allow you to participate in airdrops and receive free tokens. Now, here's a pro tip: to improve your eligibility for airdrops, you should try to hold a small amount of the project's token in your wallet. This shows that you're invested in the project and increases your chances of getting selected for an airdrop. But, be careful, some airdrops are scams. They might ask you for upfront payment or your seed phrase. Never give out your seed phrase, and never pay for an airdrop. It's always free. So, how do you verify if an airdrop is real or not? First, you should always check the official website of the project. If they're announcing an airdrop, it should be on their website. You should also check their social media channels to see if they're promoting it. And, finally, you should never trust a website that asks for your seed phrase or upfront payment. Now, let's talk about the risks. Airdrops are not a guaranteed way to make money. You might not get selected, or the project might not succeed. But, if you're smart about it, you can minimize the risks and maximize your rewards. So, what's the next step? You can join the airdrop community by clicking the link in the description. It's free, and it's a great way to get started. Just remember to always verify the official links, never share your seed phrase, and avoid any airdrop that asks for upfront payment. And there you have it, my complete strategy revealed. Now the ball is in your court. The link is in the description, join for free, connect your wallet, and start earning. Thousands of people are already doing this and getting paid daily. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe. See you next time.